Hi guys, welcome back to the Visca FS. So if you notice by now, you know that I haven't posted for a while, for a couple of weeks now. So I'm so sorry for that, guys. It wasn't intentional actually. It was the fact that I got struck by YouTube after posting the episode 13 of this series. So I don't really know if I should call it a strike because I didn't get any prior notification or warning from YouTube. But after posting the episode 13, I just noticed that YouTube algorithm stopped recommending my videos even to my subscribers. So at some point I still need to still post a couple of weeks. I still need to post a couple of videos, a couple of weeks down the line, waiting to see if there will be any changes, but there wasn't any changes. I have to even call some of my loyal subscribers to help me search for those videos and watch them. And after a while, it was only that specific numbers of people that I called that I saw their views on those videos. So as a result of that, I decided to stay away for a while. I also messaged YouTube teams, but there's no reply, no nothing. So I have to just stay away, and that's the cause of this break. But I'm back now, guys. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, help me to watch this video to the end. And if you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate for looking out for this series and also for returning back to it as well. So actually there was some certain changes during the holiday, right? There were some certain changes which I will also take you guys through now to show you guys the changes I made during this break actually, so that we can kickstart from there. So that's it. Just stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment on, say your thoughts on the comment section. By doing so, you will help me save this channel also, and also help me send a signal to YouTube algorithm to show them that this channel is really active and they need to do something about whatever thing that they did in the past, right? So that will be all for now. So let's go straight into the video. Alright guys, so this video is getting long already, but we can't kickstart without touching all these parts, right? So I will urge you to please bear with me and stay tuned and watch this video to the end, like I said earlier. So actually, for the changes I made during the break, so I added USD JPY to GBP USD. So I'm trading two pairs now, GBP USD and GBP USD and USD JPY for now. And also concerning the Willis Capital account that I'm trading, so you guys know that I'm trading 10K account on that Willis Capital account. So during last week, I will call it last two weeks now, so they did some migration into MT5, and those migration they did it without any prior notification actually to my own end. I don't know to other people. So but the whole thing messed up my account. Not only that, because I only wake up on Monday morning, got an opportunity trying to take a trade, and at the end of the day, when I opened the Match Trader, I discovered that the thing wasn't loading. So the price moved away from my entry, so I missed that trade. But at the end of the day, I later sent them a message and they said that they have migrated out of it. So later they sent me an email for me to log in. After logging in, the next day again, they stopped me out. Why price wasn't even going to my, like the trade I took, price moved away from my entry straight to my TP, but they stopped me out for no reason. So I still complained to them. They said it was some glitches or some certain things that they are working on it. That is because they just migrated. Then the next day they changed their pairs. And all these things, no prior notification. It just, once I open my my Match Trader trying to place a trade, that's when I will notice that all these things are in place. So that's how I keep on missing a trade, keep on losing unnecessarily. There was one they did just throughout the whole week. It was just back-to-back frustration. There was one I opened after I took the first trade. That trade was a loss. So the second attempt I wanted to take, which were win. So when I wanted to take that trade, the pairs were not loading again. So they say that I should stop trading, that they have migrated from pairs with S to pairs without X, because they have some pairs with X under their MT5, and that's the one they recommended initially for us to use. So it was just a kind of frustration back to back, and because of that reason, I haven't blown the account yet. So because of that reason, I have to just keep the account, and I bought a 5%ers 5K account. So I bought a 5K account from 5%ers PropFirm. So that's the account we will be trading going forward for now. Because the thing is that while they were trading, while Willis Capital we are using Match Trader. Match Trader, you can use two Match Trader in the same device at the same time, but you cannot download two MT5 account in the same device at the same time. And I don't want to be switching accounts so that I don't make a mistake, right? Because in my second device, I'm trading my live accounts there, and on this one I'm trading a PropFirm account. So I don't want to be switching from Match Trader to Willis Capital on the same MT5, because along the line I will make a mistake. You guys know that I'm not a full-time trader yet, so I'm still doing my work. So with the work and everything, I will be making a mistake steady. So because of that reason, Alright guys, so here we are on the Willis Capital account, as you can see. So we are left with $9,579.62 on the Willis Capital 10K account. So we are still in drawdown on this account at this moment. So, and here are some of the trades I took before all of these things, the frustration of their migration started. So and those trades were lost 3 trades actually. So that will be all for Willis Capital for now. So let's go straight into the documentation of the week. So let's go. Hi guys, so today is 8th of July 2025, and currently it's still 7 a.m. my time. So I'm currently in on this trade now on GPP, on USD JPY, as you can see. So I'm currently in this trade now. Price just tagged me in right now, and the trade is running a profit, as you can see. So let me take you guys straight to the account. Let's see how the trade looks like on the account. Yeah. Alright guys, so here is the trade running on the 5K account, as you can see. So this is the first trade I'm taking on this 5%ers PropFirm account. So this is the first trade I'm taking on this 5K account, as you can see. So let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. So let the market do whatever thing that pleases him. Although I'm still looking to add another trade to this trade. So if market should present the requirement I'm looking out for, so I'll add another trade to it. But before till then, so let's just wait and keep our fingers crossed and see what the market can do. Yeah. Hi guys, so if you watch closely, you will see that the second trade I wanted to add, price just tagged me in now. So I just added a trade to that particular trade I took this morning, as you can see. And if you know me by now, you know that I'm a trend trader. So I wait for a trend, then I join the pullback of that trend. So, and that is exactly what I did right here. And that being said, if you watch closely, you will see that this particular price now have gone too far, that logically is supposed to give a deep pullback from here, but yet that's where the price gave me an entry to join the trend. Not only to join the trend, but also gave me another opportunity to add trade to that trade. So if you look at it closely now, this particular trade now is very, very risky. It's a risky trade right now at this point. And initially I was contemplating to if I should even take the trade, talk more of to add a trade to it, but I don't want to think that way, because at the end of the day, if I should reason that way, that means I'm subconsciously thinking, assuming or believing that I know what will happen in the market next. So, and I don't want to think that way, so that's why I just ignored and just followed the rules, right? So, but at this point, you can see that the price is still moving straight to our SL, but there's nothing we can do, right? So fingers crossed, because at the end of the day, every day we come on the chart to fight, and the battle we always have here is not the battle between us and the market, but it's the battle between us and this decision, right? So at the end of the day, regardless, we have to still follow our rules. So that's why I just joined, added another trade to that trade. So let's see how it goes. It can continue from here, nobody knows, because actually my strategy doesn't tell me the exact reason why the market moves, and no strategy out there will tell you the exact reason why the market moves. So it's still a probability game at the end of the day. So that's why I still have to follow my rules regardless. So that's what I did right here. So fingers crossed, I will update you guys on how this trade runs out. So but before we go, let's go straight to the account and see how the trade looks like. Yeah, so here is the trade running on the 5k account, as you can see. So this is the trade running on the 5k account. So I will notify you guys on the outcome of the trade as usual. Cheers. All right, guys, as you can see, so the second setup I just added just hit 2R at the moment, as you can see. And if you know me by now, you know that I normally break even at 2R. So I want to break even right now, but guys, I'm just pissed off right now. I'm just pissed off with the whole thing. Let me show you guys something real quick. All right, guys, so here we are on the account, as you can see. So this is what pissed me off right here. If you take a look at this setup, you see that this last one is the second setup I just added right here. And this last one, if you check my loss size, you see that I used the same loss size on both of them, 0.11, 0.11. But this second one is supposed to be 0.17. It's not supposed to be 0.11. So at this 2R now, I'm risking $25. So at this 2R now, I'm supposed to be above $50 at this 2R, because now it's above 2R already. It's going to 3R already. So I'm supposed to be at least 70 something dollar right here now, but I'm still at $40 due to the loss size is not the right loss size I'm supposed to use. Sorry guys for the noise. Sorry for the noise. So the loss size is not the right loss size I'm supposed to use on this second setup. So that's one thing that pissed me off. But regardless, there's nothing I can do. So let me just break even. Let me still follow my rules regardless. Yeah. So yeah, let's break even together, as you can see. So yeah. So yeah, I just broke even right now. So let's see how it goes. I'll notify you guys on the outcome of the trade. So this trade, the first setup, the second setup is risk free at the moment. So as you can see, so I will get back to you guys on the outcome of this trade as a whole. So I will notify you guys as usual. Cheers. All right, guys. As you can see, so the second setup just smashed TP few minutes ago. And also the first setup, as you can see, have also hit 2R at the moment. So let's go straight to the account and let's see how much we made on the second account, on the second setup. And also let's also break even on the first setup. So let's do that real quick. All right, guys. So as you can see, here is the history of the second setup right here, as you can see. So we closed the trade for $50.15 on the second setup, but the first setup have hit 2R. So let's break even on it, right? All right, guys. So let's break even together and set my TP. I also set my TP at once, so that the price will just hit my TP straight. So let's do that together, as you all can see. So yeah. That's for this first setup. So I will get back to you guys on the outcome of this trade as usual. Cheers. All right, guys. So today is 9th of July 2025, and today is Wednesday actually. So and it's still 6 a.m. my time at the moment. So if you watch closely, you'll see that the trade I took yesterday smashed TP last night. So as you can see right here, so the trade just hit TP last night. And if you remember, if you retrace back, you remember that this is the same trade I was contemplating if I should take it or not, due to the price has gone far. So this is just the beauty of we following our rules regardless. So but due to I still followed my rules regardless, so I was able to catch the wins. So that means The only thing that will disrupt your trading or destroy your trading account is fear of losing, fear of because at the end of the day you don't know what will happen next. At the end of the day, this is just a probability game, right? So without any further ado, so let's go straight to the account and see how much we made on the account. And also at the same time, I'm also looking at entering this trade as well. As you can see, remember I'm a trend pullback trader. So I'm supposed to take this trade from somewhere here, but this thing showed in the midnight, so during my non-trading hour. So this morning, and I woke up now and I met price this place. So that's why I'm expecting price to tag me in. I've already set the order here, so I'm expecting price to tag me in. So if that happen, I will update you guys. And aside that, I'm also waiting, looking at a setup on GPP USD as well. Let's see the setup before we go straight to the account. Yeah, here is the setup on GPP USD. So I'm looking to enter this trade on GPP USD. As I'm looking at it, it seems as if price must have tagged me in right now, but I haven't checked my account. So let's go straight to the account and see if price have tagged me in, and also check the history of the other trade, and then we'll wait for this ones to either tag me in, or then if it tags me in, whatever thing that the market want, and whatever thing that is best for the market will allow it to, and cross our finger as usual. So let's go. All right, here is the history of the yesterday's trade. As you can see, so price okay, the GPP USD order have been triggered. So as you can see, so we made about $74.1 on that second trade. So, and we are left with this balance at the moment. Hold on. Yeah, we are left with this balance at the moment on the 5K account. So we made about $122.49 yesterday. And today also, as you can see, the GPP USD order have been triggered, as you can see. So the sell limit have been triggered. It's a very risky trade though, but there's nothing we can do. That it follows my rules, so I had no choice than to place the order. So, and also I'm also waiting for this particular order also on GPP JPY, this buy limit. So let's see how it goes. If price tag me in, I will also update you guys, and also the outcome of the trade, I will update you guys as usual. Cheers, stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, so the trade I took on GPP USD just stopped me out few minutes ago. So I lost the trade, and actually I'm still watching the market closely to see if I'll get another opportunity to rejoin the trend, right? And also on USD JPY, let's go there. Let me show you guys something first. Yeah, on USD JPY, as you can see, so the price later tagged me in and also stopped me out along the line. But I got another opportunity to still rejoin the trend for the second time, which I did. So that's the second buy sell tool you can see right there. So I'm still waiting to see the outcome of this trade. So once once market do what is best for him, then I will update you guys. But before we go, let's go straight to the account and see how much I lost and this trade that is running at the moment. All right, guys, so here we are on the account. As you can see, so I lost $23.98 on GPP USD, and also $23.1 on USD JPY, as you can see. So and also the second setup I took on USD JPY is still running, as you can see. So we are running in approximately $7 at the moment, and we are left with this balance on the 5K account, as you guys can see. So I will update you guys on the outcome of this trade, and also if the setup on USD JPY should tag me in, I will update you guys as usual. Cheers. Hi guys, so the trade I took on USD JPY just stopped me out right now, as you can see. So I lost the trade at the moment, and also the order I set for GPP USD did not trigger me in also. So let's go straight to the account and see how much I lost for USD JPY and also the balance we have. But I'm still watching the market closely to see if I will get any other opportunity for today. If I see anyone, I will notify you guys as usual. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, so I lost $25.55 on USD JPY for that trade. So that'll be all for now. So I'm still watching the market closely to see if I will get any other opportunity. So if I see anyone, I will notify you guys as usual. Yeah. All right, guys. So, as you can see, this is the second attempt to sell GPP USD for today. So, price just tagged me in right now. I'm in on this trade. So, let's go straight to the account and see how the trade looks like, and then we will cross fingers and wait for the trade to perform. Yeah. All right, guys. So here we are on the 5K account, as you can see. So here is the trade running. So we are running approximately $4 profit right now, as you can see. So I will get back to you guys on the outcome of this trade. Cheers. All right, guys. So today is 11th of July 2025, and today is Friday actually. So currently I'm in on this USD JPY sell right now. So price tagged me in a few minutes ago, but I wasn't able to record it immediately. So here is the trade. As you can see, we are running in profit at the moment. So let's go straight to the account and see how the trade looks like, and also how much we are making actually. All right, guys. So here we are on the account, as you can see on the 5K account. So you can see we are running in profit of approximately $12.5 at the moment. So I'll get back to you guys on the outcome of this trade and how this trade plays out. So fingers crossed as usual. Yeah, cheers. All right, guys. So today is 12th of July 2025, and also today is Saturday actually. So the market is closed at the moment. And also the trade I took yesterday, as you can see, stopped me out. The set trade I took on USD JPY stopped me out for a loss. So I lost the trade, as you can see on the chart. So I will take you guys to straight to the account so that we'll check the history of the account and also how much we made and the balance we have on the account, and we will call it a day. And also I will take you guys a little bit back to the things that happened during the week, right? Because I think it will be fair that I take you guys back a bit to show you guys the things that happen behind the scene, not only coming up here to show you guys when I get into a trade and when I get out of a trade. So it will also be okay for me to like point out some certain things during the time I'm waiting for a trade, a setup that the setup did not give me all the requirements and the things that happen behind the scene, right? So I will take you guys a bit back to it. Then we will check the balance and check the history and know what actually really happened, and then we call it a day from there. So let's go straight to the account first to see the account, then we'll come back to the chart here. All right, guys. So here we are on the account, as you can see. So we ended the week on break even. So we ended the week on about $5 profit. So that's approximately break even, because this is not up to 1 hour of my risk, right? So and we took about 7 trades. So we only won 2, and we lost about 5 trades during the week, as you can see. So and also, the last trade I took on USD JPY, the one I just showed you guys right now, is the last trade you can see on this down here. So that's it. The trade where I lost about $22.83 on that particular trade. And that's how we ended this week. So and this is the account balance here, as you can see. So we are ending the week with on 5,083, okay, $5,000.83 balance for this week. So that's just break even. That's totally break even. So and that's how we end this week. So let me take you guys back to the chart, then we will see the things that happen behind the scene and all of that. So and how we come up with a break even after winning 2 trade, and how we lost about 5 trade in a row, that kind of a thing. So let's go back to the chart. All right, guys. So here we are on the chart. So we are starting with GPP USD. If you know me, you know by now that I normally trade GPP USD before only, but these days I just added USD JPY to it. So we are starting with GPP USD for now. So after that, we can now go back to USD JPY and the things that happen. And remember that I only trade, I'm a trend trader, so I only trade the trend pullback. So as you can see, so this is the setups I got during the week, as you can see. So this is the first one which price did not tag me in, so I was expecting price to like get to this zone, but price did not tag me in on that trade. So and also this one I missed this one because I wanted to take it on Willis Capital, but their account were misbehaving during that period of time, so I missed that trade as a result of that. So and also if you come here, you'll see this the next trade that I am supposed to take. This one also went to win. This one could have been a win trade, right? But the reason why I did not take it is because I'm a trend trader, so I was waiting for price to first of all pull back to below this low before I will start looking at the chart. So as a result of that, I did not take this trade. So and when price eventually break below this low, as you can see right here, so that's when I took these two trades that were lost. And after that, I am supposed to also try the third time, which was this particular setup you are seeing here. So and this particular setup worked out. It went to my supposed TP, but I did not take it because at first I was waiting for price to first of all break above this low, but price came and made an equal low. So I was waiting for price to first of all break above it before I would take the trade, but price showed my entry with an equal low, so that's how I missed that as well. So and also here I also got another setup here which I also missed, but because I was waiting for price to break below this low. So that's how the week ends on GBP USD. So let's go to USD JPY. You know, all of these things amounts to the reason why we came out in loss, right? Because at the end of the day, assuming I caught one of them or one of them actually performed, then we could have come out with a kind of a profit. It could have been a profitable week at the end of the day, but because of that, that's why we came out in break even. So that being said, so let's continue. So yeah, here we are on USD JPY, as you can see. So this particular trade also, I missed this trade as well as I missed one on GBP USD. I missed this one because of Willis capital issues. So it was after this particular trade that I now bought this 5%ers account. And this is the trade we caught, which which I made about 5R, right? The one I added trade to, and this particular one I was trying to take it, but I lost both trades. So and this is the last one we took yesterday, which you can see right there. So that's how this week goes. That's how this week goes. The reason why I'm showing you guys this thing is for you to know that it's not that rosy, right? All of these days you are seeing that I'm missing a trade or that kind of a thing. I was always on my chart waiting, and all of these things played out in my presence, right? All of these things plays out. So it's just to show you guys that patience need to be there and all of that. So that's why I just want to take you guys back a bit. So that will be all for this week. As you all that we are ending the week in break even, as you all know. So that will be all. Cheers. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you are a returning subscriber, maximum respect, guys. Cheers.